Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. Today I will be teaching you two methods on how to format and perform a hard reset on your Galaxy A17. The first method is for people who still have access to their phone. If you've lost access to your phone and can't unlock it, stay tuned to this video until the second method. The first method, as I mentioned, is for people who still have access to their phone. You will go into the settings icon and scroll down to this option. Here you scroll down to this option and now you will go to this option. By clicking here, you will scroll down, click on reset, and when you click here, the formatting will begin. If you have a Samsung account and are signed in on your phone, it will ask for your Samsung account password. And now the second method is for people who do not have access to their phone. If you do not have access to your phone, you will need the phone's charger. The charger cable must be connected to a computer or laptop, okay? It cannot be plugged into a wall socket. It has to be connected to a computer or laptop. Alright, so now you will press the volume down button, okay? And then you will connect the cable down here. And now we will press any button on the phone to turn on the screen. We will check here to make sure it's charging. And if it is charging, we will now press the volume down button together with the power button. With the cable connected, we will keep them pressed. When the screen turns off, you switch from the volume down button to the volume up button without releasing the power button until the phone enters recovery mode. Once you enter recovery mode, you can release both buttons and you can remove this cable. And now, to navigate in recovery mode, you will use the volume up and volume down buttons. You will confirm your selection with the power button on the option you want to enter, which in this case should be the Wipe Data Factory Reset option. We confirm here and now you will go down and keep confirming. We confirm again with the power button. To move through the options, use the volume up and volume down buttons to navigate and the power button to confirm. It's the power button, so you'll confirm on the second option, it will take you back to the main screen, and here you'll confirm again on the first option. And the phone will restart, exiting this mode and finishing the formatting process. So that's it for today's video. I hope I was able to help. If I did, don't forget to leave a like and drop your comment below. And if possible, subscribe to the channel for more videos.